Not wanna go to sleep. I knock on the coldest door. It's locked, so I go to creep round the back with binoculars. Not cause.
Hey, what's up? High Big 601 is back at it again. It's Thursday night right here, and I'm fucking tired, man. Work, gym, then coming home working on this. This is the third night straight. But I got, you know, layers up there. First layer, 3 in the back, going this way. 3 in the back, going from the back window this way. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 in the front from the windshield back. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 more sheets here. I'm gonna put 3 sheets in the middle. I'm probably gonna start from here. Well, probably back from here. 2, then 3 up in the front, just in the center. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. That way I come overlap this way, because I done went that way, so I'm gonna come this way now. Well, this way. So I'm not gonna record that because I've been recording pretty good bit, so it'll probably make the video too long. So I'm gonna cut the camera and put these 3 pieces up. And when I get to the last piece, I might come back and turn the camera on and let y'all see me do it. But right now I'm gonna cut the camera. Alrighty, guys and gals, whoever watching, I put this last layer, in the back. I decided to put it in between each beam, so I went from here to here on this right here, and then I'm gonna put the next one from this beam to here in the middle. I only got 3 more sheets left. I miscounted. I thought I had 10 sheets, but I guess I was counting too fast. So it was 9 sheets. Yeah, it was 9 sheets. 3 in the front going that way, 3 in the back going this way. And I'm doing 1 this way, 1 this way, then 1 up front. So, and I didn't know, well, I forgot I had a heat fucking gun. I was using a hair dryer. I got a heat gun, so we're gonna get it popping. This is a time-consuming deal right here. Almost like 10 wonders trying to get all the bubbles out. Just gotta take the time and do it. Do it right the first time, you won't have to go back and do it the second time. And the roller don't always work. I have to use this right here. This little flattener. I like to get in corners and press it. Get that tar hot, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and stick. Yeah, but it's leaving a little streak in that tar now. As I do this, it's leaving a streak. Let me know that tar getting hot. That's what's up. This makes it a whole lot easier when you heat it up, but I mean, it's kind of rough on your arms. Especially me, I've been working out all week. So I'm tensed up, holding my arms up like this. Get that hot. I'm gonna get this real hot. Then I'm gonna turn this heat gun off, and then just you know, apply some pressure to it. I tell y'all right now, if y'all using a heat gun, do not lay this motherfucker down on any interior, on anything that you don't want to burn. It will burn a hole in some shit. I ain't lying. I haven't done it, but not in here anyway. But I've done it in other situations. Yep. It's rolling that shit out, man. All right, this back piece pretty much done. I'll move on to the center. Whoa! That headliner holding that camera up, so if it fall again, excuse me about that. Alright, we're good with that. I'm gonna have to move that camera, y'all, somewhere, because I'm gonna have to get right here with that next piece. Alright, we're finna put the second piece in the middle. I have to move the camera. So it's gonna be a bitch. But it's gotta go in. It ain't gonna be too bad. Let's see. Stick this side. Try to get it as close to the other piece as I can to butt it up. Just use my fingers to kind of get it started. As close as I can fucking get it. I'm just gonna do a little bit like that. Hope y'all can see me. Yeah, probably a little dark, but y'all get the picture. Get up that bitch. She's in. Taking candy from her baby. I gotta find my roller. Why use this? It's gonna heat the whole thing, kind of save some time. Pull it back this way like that. Get it in them grooves of that beam.
Shit.
Ooh. Ah. That is a bitch. That is a bitch. I'm happy with that. Now I gotta get up front. Once I get up front, I'm gonna go back and go over it again, because that's pretty much all I'm gonna do tonight. I'll come back tomorrow, which will be Friday, and start putting it back together. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta get set up so y'all can see me do the front. Alright guys, I'm gonna put that piece up front. So I had to reposition my camera. So I hope y'all be able to see me do this little piece. I think this piece gonna be the hardest one. I ain't got no room to work with. I have to start it from a different angle. This side. That said, ain't gonna be too bad. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Struggling. Let's do it a little different. That shit don't want to come down when they get up there. That's a good thing though. We're gonna do it like this. We'll try to slip it in this way. Two people, this would be perfect. I need to go over some more. You know what? Fuck that shit. We just gonna do it this way. We'll do this way. Line it up much as I can right here. I'm gonna have to go to the other side to catch it. We gonna get it. Ain't got no choice but to go up there. That's why it's good to have that heat gun, like when you got little ridges. Here we go. All right, we got her in there. Some heat to her. It'll be good. Ran me out. Fucking getting it though. What's the last piece? Fucking glad. This heat makes it a whole lot easier. I swear this is a shoulder workout. All right. All right, pretty much everything is pretty much just right now. I'm gonna heat it up some more and try to get in the corners, but that's gonna conclude it right there. I'm done. I'm just gonna be taking the heat gun, going in little places like kind of like up under there. See it kind of hang a little bit at the edge. Get that, and after that, the next video y'all see, I don't know. I may let y'all see me put the headliner back up. Then again, I may just do a video showing y'all that the headline is up. Hey, this was a spur of the moment type thing right here. I was out here just fucking around again. Same night, actually Thursday, when I last left off from heating everything up, I decided to go ahead and just put it back up. So it's back in. I just gotta put all the little accessories back up. So that this right here make it easier Friday when I get in and start on it. I can finish it up quicker. So I'll probably set the camera up and just let y'all look at how I'm putting everything back together. But we're going with it. Let y'all hear the top real quick, what it sounds like. Solid. Solid, solid, solid. We're gonna roll with that. The first victims after the Deadner, my boy Travis right here. He got a chance to feel the blow through F-150. He see what it's like to see it on social media and YouTube, but actually feel it in person. What you think, brother, since you heard it in person?
Yeah, it's official, man. It's official.
It's official. Y'all heard it. It's official. My boy.
You hear the beat as it makes you not wanna go to sleep. I knock on the coldest door. It's locked, so I go to creep round the back with binoculars. Not 'cause